Hi, it's Annette here. So today I am going to be doing a review of the Wella Invigo Color Brilliance with Lime Caviar hair mask. So I first tried this when I was getting my hair done. It was actually the shampoo and conditioner, and the hairdresser actually recommended this for coloured hair. She said it was really good, and I did enjoy, my hair felt nice, but my hair always feels nice after you've got it, after you've had it done, doesn't it? So I got the chance to try this. It was in Latest in Beauty, and however, I will go on to purchase this in full size because I really did enjoy using it. So I'm just looking what Lola's up to. She's currently chewing something she probably shouldn't be. So you can pick up 500 mils of this on Amazon for £11.99, and it gets 4.7 out of 5 in their review section. So I always think that's really good to know. So this is for coarse hair, but it also comes in fine to normal. You'll also find it, which is quite good because not everybody has coarse hair, so it does come in fine to normal. So it's an intense treatment for improved hair surface, enhanced colour, vibrancy, and it contains antioxidant shield technology. So what do you do with this? So it says here that we've just spoken about it being an intense treatment, contains antioxidant shield technology and lime caviar, leaves the hair in brilliant shine and intense luminosity, is powerful combination of ingredients to maintain colour, vibrancy and protected colour hair. So I've had this kicking around for ages, and I've tried a couple of them through like Latest in Beauty and things like that, but I will go on to purchase the larger size. You leave it on your hair for 5 minutes and then you rinse it off. However, I always put my hair masks on if I'm in the shower at night, and then I just rinse them off in the morning. But if you've never tried this before, follow the instructions. Don't do as I do. Follow the instructions. That's really important. What I do is of no concern to anybody else, is it? But I wanted to pop on to say that the Wella Color Brilliance range is really good for your hair. Maintaining the kind of colour. Mine's has not been done for months and months and months. I mean, it was about 6 months ago, so it needs done again, I know that. But I just enjoyed using it as a good hair mask. It left my hair feeling really nice. Obviously, if you've got fine hair, you won't want to use this version, use the other version. So just check that out if you're on Latest in Beauty, because I think the coarse hair one might be too much if you've got fine hair, and it might leave your hair feeling kind of like limp, and you just can't do anything with it. But I liked the way that it left my hair feeling smooth and soft the following day. So yep, I would recommend it, and for 500 mils for £11.99, I don't think you can actually go wrong, can you? I will at some point try the shampoo and the conditioner and see how I get on with that when I get my hair done again. But yep, highly recommend this. If you've used this before, let me know what you think. Speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye.